Welcome! Today, we'll show you how to order pay-per-view events with Rogers Xfinity TV. Let's go! To get started, turn on your TV. On your Rogers Xfinity voice remote, press and hold the mic button and say pay-per-view. Or, if you're not using voice activation, press the Rogers button, then select Sports and press OK. Scroll down to the sports tiles. Then, select Pay-Per-View and press OK to check what's available. Most pay-per-view events are available 24 to 48 hours in advance. You can also order on the day of the event, right up until it ends. Once you've made your choice, select it, press OK, and then select Pre-Order. Review the price and title and press Pre-Order again to confirm your event order. If you set up a purchase PIN in Parental Controls, enter it now. If you've already ordered a pay-per-view event that started, choose Restart to play from the beginning or select Watch to watch it live. You can use the rewind and fast-forward options when you restart. That's it. Now you know how to order pay-per-view events with Rogers Xfinity TV.